Good morning, students. In this session of health and diseases, we are going to discuss about drug abuse and alcohol. Okay? Drugs and alcohol abuse. Its reason, causes, effects, and how it should be cured and prevention should be taken. All these. Now, simple thing, drug abuse means the person get addicted to the drugs or alcohol. See, when hallucinogenic drugs are taken for other than medicinal use, these drugs are sometimes taken for medicinal purpose also, but only hallucinogenic drugs. Okay, if it is used other than medicinal use, then or consumed other than medicinal, then it is known as drug abuse. They are classified in different types like opioid are drugs which bind to specific receptor of central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Now, heroin, smacks, all these are types of opioids only. See, these are obtained by acetylation of morphine obtained by latex of Papaver somniferum, or we can say poppy. What is the effect? These are the depressant. It depresses the person and slows down the body function. These are taken by snorting and injection. Now, cannabinoid. Cannabinoid are the drugs which interact with specific receptors of brain. So, obviously, it will affect the working of our brain. These are obtained by inflorescence of cannabis sativa and it affects the cardiovascular system of the body. And they are taken by inhalation and oral ingestion like charas, hashish, all these are cannabinoid. Clear? So, these interact with the brain, receptors of brain. So, it affects our brain system, or we can say cardiovascular system also. And next is coca alkaloid. See, these drugs interfere with the transport of neurotransmitter, dopamine. So, what it does, it stimulates the central nervous system and it causes hallucination and increased energy. Clear? It causes hallucination and increased energy. These are obtained from plant coca, Erythrohorphy coca. Okay, and it is usually snorted. Similarly, alcohol. These are also depressant. Okay, it also causes depression, slows down the working of the body. Next, tobacco, smoking or tobacco chewing. All these are nicotine and it acts as a stimulant. Clear? So, it increases the chances of cancer of lungs, urinary bladder, throat, etc. Now, mainly, what happened? In adolescence, that is during the age of 12 to 18, when the process of maturation of child towards his or her attitude starts and belief takes place to be effective in society. So that is the reason for alcohol abuse. We should be aware of that. Okay, we are getting addicted. Nowadays, many young generation are getting addicted to these. They should avoid undue pressure. Proper education and counseling should be done. because they are seeking help. They are in danger. Now simply see what happened. These adolescents, they are curious and they want adventure, excitement in their life. Sometimes simply they are taking once for experiment how it feels. But what happened? Once, twice, when they have taken, they get addicted. Sometimes the family structure, unsupportive structure is also the reason for this. Peer pressure. Now what happened? They get addicted and dependent on these drugs. They are always craving to use substance at routine time. A particular time is there, at that time they are addicted to daily consumption. There is shift in the biological equilibrium. What happens? The body system function optimally only after receiving the addictive substance. Otherwise, it will not work properly. Then inability to reduce the amount of consumption of addictive substance. And there is a tendency to neglect various activities. Obviously, gives a harmful effect, everything. But there is a tendency to neglect. And the addict has a tendency to obtain addictive substance by all means. What is the source, it doesn't matter. It will find out. It will search from anywhere. It may medical care is required, available in the de-addiction centers. So various withdrawal syndromes, unpleasant withdrawal syndromes are there. It is shown by the addictive person. Depressed mood, anxiety, nervousness, restlessness, then irritability, all these, craving. Sometimes withdrawal system are at their peak after 1 or 2 days of stoppage. They slowly begin to fade and most of them disappear 3 to 4 days after abstinence. Okay, so it should be properly cured. See, adolescent, hostler, failed and others frustrated individual, they are most likely addicted to alcohol and drugs and tobacco also. There are many reasons like change in friend circle, irregular completion of the work, poor performance in the examination, then avoiding extracurricular activities. There are many effects also, like in behavior. They show reckless behavior, vandalism, violence also, and interest in work and self-confidence are lost. Then body coordination, obviously just now I've told you that it affects the nervous system. So neural and muscular junctions are affected, which results in influence of coordination of the body parts. They may bouts of cramps and convulsions. Clear? It may cause damage to liver and kidney also, like alcohol, tobacco, all these affects liver and kidney. Then disrupted respiratory system. There is irregularity in the breathing. Why? That is due to the addictive substance on the respiratory center of brain. So, which causes disturbance in the respiratory areas. Next, and also it affects the cardiovascular system like bradycardia, tachycardia. These develops, and higher doses of these addictive substances can lead to cardiac arrest also. Then sexual dysfunction and abnormal babies, all these are effects of drugs and alcohol abuse. Many times it causes infection. It causes AIDS, hepatitis B due to sharing of infected needle and syringe. And it also lack concentration and causes accidents and corrupt practices. See, to prevent and control these type of person, the main thing is that every child should avoid undue pressure. Say, everyone has a specific personality. Okay, so no child should be asked to perform beyond threshold limit, whether it is in sports, studies, or any other activities. Okay, and then every child should be given a proper channel to develop hobby, sports. It will help the child to develop a independent personality. And for the child facing problem, teacher or trusted friend, family member should be there. This will help the child to share the feeling of anxiety and guilt and obtain a proper guidance. And teachers and parents should always be careful to look for and identify the danger signs. And sometimes professional help and medical help should be also taken from psychiatrists, de-addiction and rehabilitation. Okay, so these are the effects, reason why they are using, and how it can be prevented. Each and every person should take care of that. So that's over. Have a nice day, healthy life, and thank you.